Bonsai, the art of cultivating miniature trees in containers, has a rich history in Vietnam, influenced by both local traditions and the broader East Asian cultural sphere. While bonsai as a formal practice originated in China, it spread to Vietnam and other parts of East Asia over time. The Vietnamese adaptation of bonsai has its own distinctive characteristics, influenced by the country's climate, culture, and aesthetic preferences. The roots of bonsai in Vietnam can be traced back to the introduction of the practice from China during the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD. Early Vietnamese bonsai may have been inspired by the Chinese tradition of penjing, which involved creating miniature landscapes. The Vietnamese adopted and adapted the practice, incorporating their own styles and local plant species. Over the centuries, bonsai became increasingly popular in Vietnam, particularly during the Nguyen Dynasty, 1802 to 1945. The practice was often associated with scholars, royalty, and intellectuals, who appreciated bonsai not only for its aesthetic beauty but also for its symbolic meanings. Bonsai in Vietnam was often linked to the ideals of balance, harmony, and longevity, reflecting the country's philosophical and spiritual beliefs, including Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism. Vietnamese bonsai differs from other regional styles, particularly Chinese and Japanese bonsai. Vietnamese bonsai emphasizes naturalistic forms, with an appreciation for asymmetry and irregularity. The use of indigenous plants, such as fig trees, pine, and apricot, is common. The trees are often sculpted to resemble natural landscapes or to evoke local mythology and legends, with an emphasis on capturing the essence of nature rather than perfect symmetry. In contemporary Vietnam, bonsai has remained a popular hobby and art form. It is often seen in homes, gardens, and public spaces, symbolizing prosperity, peace, and the connection between humanity and nature. Bonsai exhibitions and competitions are common, and the art is celebrated in festivals, especially during the Lunar New Year, when bonsai trees are displayed as symbols of good fortune for the year ahead. Bonsai in Vietnam is not only a decorative art, but also a cultural tradition that has been passed down through generations, reflecting the country's deep connection to nature and the principles of balance and harmony in both life and art.
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again, we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.